Alright, black 1990 convertible with a Haltech Sprint RE. It's cold start about 7:45 in the morning. Get this back. I feel you don't want to get here. That's no gas or clutch or anything. Good oil pressure. And yeah, within a few, it's and it doesn't have a idle control valve other than the BAC, which is just doing an open loop. Couple of things to show. Dents on the car, I'll try to show them. Most are pretty small, except for one dent where the blow-off valve hit the bottom of the hood. Detailed the car last night, but a bunch of yellow pollen you see, and the paint's actually pretty good. Paint's actually great. Tires are in good shape. Rx7 seats, 5-speed shift knob, really good shape, new bushings. This radio plays movie files and that sort of thing, even though you can't really watch them. Start of the tear on the top doesn't really affect drain function that much. Haven't noticed any leaks or anything. And this is the only other one, which I believe if you get to it from underneath, put a small patch in and keep that from getting bigger. And that's really it for the top. Other than that, it's in absolutely great shape. Nothing else really wrong with it. And then the same thing happening on this side. There's a crack in the taillight. Doesn't let water in or anything. It's kind of on the outer lens, but noticeable once you know where it is. See, car's pretty straight, very dirty. There's a scratch. Front of the car, got some bugs, a couple scratches, but that was painted with just flat black paint, and a little bit of roughness on the front bumper. For a lot of the time that before I got this car, the bumper sat in the garage, so it just got scuffed up. But little TLC could get a lot of that out as well. Alright, and that's cold start and walk around of my convertible.